Hey everybody, we're going to show you today how to access the internal hardware on the 3D arm by Nightingale. Underneath the arm you're going to have two screws that you're going to want to take out. You're going to find them at the front of the arm and also at the back of the arm. And now we're going to show you just simply how you take your power drill and remove those two screws to begin with. Okay, and that simply now allows you to remove the arm cap, the top of the arm cap, where you'll see the internal hardware. And now we're going to take everything out and remove the bottom of the arm pad as well. That is a 3-prong, which allows for the lockable positioning. This is a plate, and it simply needs a wrench to remove the 2 bolts. Once those 2 bolts are taken out, you're going to remove that plate. And you're going to lift the bottom of the arm pad. Now, when you put your new arm pad on, you're going to put the bottom of that arm pad plate back on. And put your plate on top. I'm sorry, there's a piece there. You'll see a plastic piece goes in first. And then you're going to take your plate, put that on top of the 2 bolts, and put the washers and nut on top and secure those in place again. Now we're going to show you doing this with a power drill, which you very well may be using. Important thing here to realize. When you use a power drill, it's going to torque these quite tight, and often they're actually on there too tight. So what we're going to see now is you take your wrench, and you're going to want to loosen them slightly. What you're going for here, folks, is you want to have a little movement to this arm pad. And so you can see now they're slightly loosened but still firm, but it allows the arm pad to move to go into that lockable 3-way position. Okay, so there we have it. And now this prong goes back in place like that. On top you have your spring, simply goes in that hole. And your arm pad is going to go back on top, and then you will take your screws front and back, drill those in, and that's as easy and as simple as it is to access the arm pad. The 3D arm pad by Nightingale for any concerns, any new parts you may need to put in there. Thanks everybody.